Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Kai. It's a fantastic day to be a Panther.
In sporting news today, there's a girls' varsity softball game against Vero Beach.
Tonight's game is at 6 p.m. and is a home game here at Heritage.
Also happening today is a 3 p.m. show of Heritage High's performance of High School Musical.
There will also be a show today at 7 p.m. You'll have one last chance to watch the High School Musical on Saturday at 3 p.m. We're all in this together!
Panthers, are you interested in being a part of the wrestling team? There will be a wrestling team meeting today right after school.
Our wrestling team is for any young man interested in coming out for next year's team. Unfortunately, we don't have the resources to run a girls' team at this time.
Students and staff, our National Honor Society is sponsoring a book donation drive. The drive runs until Wednesday, May 15th. The drop-off location for your new or gently used books is the school cafeteria during all 3 lunches.
Books will be distributed to those in need at University Park Elementary. Please make sure your new or gently used books are appropriate for grades K through 6.
Panthers, are you interested in buying a yearbook? Please stay tuned after the announcements and watch the yearbook promo clip.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!
Hey Lily, why are you so sad?
Because I feel like I'm gonna forget all my memories from this school year.
To this yearbook, you can have memories that last forever. You want to see?
Yeah. Oh wow, that's me from last year. And it's you. Wow.
Hello everyone, my name is Dustin Wynn, and this is...
Lily, and we're part of the yearbook team. Go get your yearbook at buytheyearbook.com. School ID 715242.